So, good morning from Alicante. This is Sunday the 14th of July and I'm in Alicante to have a look round. One of the places we want to go to is the Museum of the Fallows, the burning of the effigies. I think it's called effigies. And so we're going to do that, but that doesn't open until 10. So we're going to hang around, have breakfast first, and then we'll go there. So yeah, lots to do today. As we came in, it was 29 degrees, so it's another warm one in July, which obviously we expect anyway. So we're in a rooftop terrace, or on a rooftop terrace in a hotel called Milagrosa, and it's in the old town, and you can quite clearly see the castle from here. Well, we'd be able to if I could get it looking right. So that's the castle up there, and incredible. So that's a clearer view. That's it 3 times what we want to look up there, and we've got a church here that's making lots of noise, which we're at the same level with, and you've got all the streets below us, all the small streets, which are quite nice. But this is a lovely rooftop terrace. I'll show you the terrace. There's lots of seating here. They do lunches, they do breakfasts, they do everything here, which is nice. And it's just off the sort of beach area. It's not very far from the beach, so quite easy to walk here. And as I say, they do a full menu of food here for you. So we're having a wander around the streets of Alicante, and it's busy. It's not mega busy. I think it will be busy when we get down to the beach. But at the moment, it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. It's 31 degrees, and it's warm. It's very, very warm, especially if you're pushing the chair, which I'm not, thank God. And but we're going to make our way down to the beach now and show you the beach and show you how busy it really is, because I'm sure it will be. So this is our lunch, and I have to say I've just tasted the steak, and it is as tender as anything and so tasty. And this place is called 30 and Tantos, which is up near the Meerkat indoor market. It's very close to there, so if you're coming over, then I would definitely recommend this place. Good service, and it's next to the there's a big auditorium here, you know, or a theatre, where they do live music and put on plays and things as well, so it's very close to that. But as I say, the steak is absolutely lovely. So we've just finished walking around Alicante, and it's a great place to come. There's history, there's lots going on, there's boats, there's the beach, there's the Castile, the castle. You've got so many things that can fill your day coming here, and it's all quite good. Parking sometimes could be a bit of an issue, but if you park in the underground car park, which is near the casino, there's usually spaces there. Even in the summer, you know, in August, I park there, so it's not an issue. And don't forget, if you like the videos, you know, please subscribe. A lot of people watch my videos, but I think they forget to subscribe, and it does help small YouTubers like me to continue making new videos. So please do that, and I will appreciate you all. Thank you very much. Okay, bye, ciao.